Remarkably, the Malibu mid-size sedan has seen a slight increase in sales so far this year. This is despite the fact that it's fairly old compared to its close rivals. Malibu is a car that refuses to compromise. It's powerful, yet efficient. Gorgeous, with a hint of sportiness. With sophisticated looks and Chevy's latest connectivity technology, it's the mid-size sedan that offers everything you want and then some. The design of this mid-size sedan does all the talking. Its sleek lines impress from all angles, with accents like available LED daytime running lamps, dual exhaust outlets and LED tail lamps. Though Ford has firmly shifted its focus to SUVs and trucks, it still sells a few cars. The Fusion sedan hangs on for now, and sales were down 11% in the first quarter. From the chrome surround grille to the upgraded LED tail lamps, the 2020 Fusion Titanium makes a statement at first glance thanks to its stylish exterior details. On the inside, this refined design comes packed with experience-driven amenities like heated and cooled front seats, a power moonroof and a 12-speaker audio system from Sony. The titanium trim is also available on all powertrains, so you have the option to choose between gas, hybrid and plug-in hybrid. With 3 powertrain options, your Fusion Titanium is capable of an eco-conscious drive and an EPA estimated range of 610 miles. Sales of the Accord haven't been at their best for some time now, and this 10 best winning sedan have declined by a whopping 27% so far in 2020. With a 48 city 47 highway EPA miles per gallon rating, the fuel-efficient 2020 Accord Hybrid will help you save both time and money at the pump. The 2020 Accord Hybrid features our innovative 2-motor hybrid powertrain, paired with an EC-VT transmission. With 212 total system horsepower and the responsiveness of electric torque, it's an eye-opening drive from the get-go. Watch energy flow between the engine and electric motor in real time on the available high-resolution display audio touchscreen. We can't remember the last time the Altima sold more units than the Honda Accord. Nissan's mid-size sedan saw only an 8% decline during the first quarter. Altima is on the lookout when you can't see what's going on ahead. It monitors your speed and distance, and when it detects sudden deceleration, it gives you a warning to slow down. With the groundbreaking Propulsion Assist, you can actually look forward to your daily commute. This available advanced driver assistance system helps out with your highway driving at the push of a button, anticipating and responding like a true partner.
The Civic was down 18% through the first quarter, meaning it dropped further than its competitor the Toyota Corolla, which was down 12%. The 2020 Civic sedan features aggressive lines and refined features that make it stand out from the crowd. Signature C-shaped taillights, a sleek profile and a bold sport trim add to its fierce personality. The iconic Civic sedan makes a bold statement everywhere you go with its edgy, sleek styling. Eye-catching style combines with comfort in an interior that puts advanced technology within reach. Civic Touring Sedan features LED headlights with auto on-off that are perfect for lighting up the road and your life.
The Corolla compact sedan and hatchback saw a 12% decrease in sales so far this year. 2020 Green Car of the Year, awarded Green Car Journal's 2020 Green Car of the Year, 61 Corolla Hybrid, even comes with an enhanced hybrid battery warranty that lasts for 10 years from date of first use or 150,000 miles, whichever comes first. Featuring blacked-out wheels, black badging, black grille and other accents, the available Corolla SE Nightshade Edition has a distinct style that speaks for itself. Corolla has the latest tech, like an available 8-inch touchscreen display and standard Apple CarPlay 69 compatibility that works with your iPhone. Camry doesn't look to relinquish its best-selling passenger car title anytime soon. Sales were down 6% through the first quarter, a much smaller decline than its arch-rival the Honda Accord experienced. The powerful, stylish 2020 Camry Hybrid gives up nothing with its optimized fuel economy, advanced tech and stirring drive. Now with an enhanced 10-year hybrid battery warranty 66 from date of first use, or 150,000 miles, whichever comes first. From the black window moldings to the black mirror caps to the black rear spoiler, every element lets you bring more attitude to your commute.